Videos 2025 Updated Guide. Note: if your video is marked as made for kids, YouTube disables comments automatically, and you cannot turn them back on due to compliance with COPPA, Children's Online Privacy Protection Act. For other videos, follow these steps. Step by step to enable comments on a YouTube video. Sign in to YouTube Studio. Go to https://studio.youtube.com. Log in with your YouTube account. Select your video. From the left menu, click on Content. Click the title or thumbnail of the video you want to edit. Go to Video Details. In the left-hand sidebar of the Video Details page, click More Options. Scroll to the Comments and Ratings section. Find the Comments dropdown. Select Allow All Comments, or a preferred comment setting like Hold Potentially Inappropriate Comments for Review. Check Audience Setting. Go to the Audience section and make sure the video is not set as Made for Kids. If it's set as Made for Kids, comments will remain disabled. Save your changes. Scroll to the top right corner and click Save. Tip: if you're uploading a new video, you can set comment preferences during upload in the Details, More Options section. Reminder: to turn on comments for all future videos automatically, go to Settings, Upload Defaults, Advanced Settings. Set your preferred comment visibility.